How's it, China? Check this out. We were invited by the Wuxi radio and TV station to enjoy the Wanhe Rural Tourism Park and try our hand in cooking and eating the local cuisine. We were taught how to cook on firewood earth stoves with vegetables and other basic ingredients. Our fellow South Africans took to the task like seasoned professionals. Once we had completed our cooking, all the teams gathered in the tented dining area. Here we enjoyed the fruits of our cooking.
We cooked.
Yes, you were cooking, were you?
As well as other local delicacies. We were shown a taste of local farm life by digging up taro root, which was a bit of a laugh that we mostly managed.
'n man en 'n vrou wat so lekker boer hierso in China.
But it was great to be out in the country and enjoying the sunshine.
Can you take the potato out your pocket, bro?
We then got another chance to shine in the sun.
This is our first time cooking Chinese food. The fire, building the fire is different because you use the wok. We use less oil in our cooking.
油锅、爆炒，这些对韩国家庭组来说并不陌生。但革命编织中国节以及拔芋头比赛等活动，也让外国友人零距离感受江南农家的去处，同时也是展现新时代城乡建设成果风貌的一面镜子。看得见，希望通过农家乐打卡活动，让更多的外国友人感受无锡，领略无锡的美。我爱无锡。
The best part of this experience was getting away from the hustle and bustle of apartment living and half-rise construction. We shared this uniquely Chinese experience with Koreans, Americans, New Zealanders and others. I hope this inspires us to get more off the beaten track and see more of the bare face of China.